Okay, now I hooked it up with the same cable into my car, USB powered. It's got 2.4 amps, I think, and it won't find it. It's not powering it on. So we're back to the same problem. Guess I didn't pause there. So now I got rid of the external mic power adapter. We'll try seeing if it'll light up here, and it's not. So it lost its smart remote connection yet again. Yeah, it's not powering on at all. So now I'm going back to where we left off. I've got it plugged back into the mic adapter. We have power going to it. We will try to turn it on. This did not work in the car for some reason. Now we're going back to this, and it still won't work, I'm sure. Yeah, it's still not working. So now I'll try. Oh, it doesn't want to even turn on. The camera won't even turn on. That's nice. We got a new problem. Look at that.
I need to get some ice. Okay.
All right. Yep. Wow. I think it froze. All right. I just pulled the battery. This is what I do on my Hero 3 Black all the time. That's why I absolutely hate that camera, because I have to do that all the stinking time. All right. So now something is responding. So the GoPro froze. Even though it looked like it worked, it had froze, because now it's accepting the charge again. See if it'll turn back on. And it's not. All right, let's try repairing it again. And I was able to turn it on just fine. I'm going to reset everything again. That is reset. We'll put that in pairing mode. All right, now we're going to reconnect the remote again for the 100th time, because that's what this thing needs. Very frustrating. All right, we're back online. Done. Let's try recording right here. Okay, that looks good. Yeah, it's got video. Okay. Power it off. Try turning it back on. That seems to be working. Let's go connect it to the car again. Okay, this time it's showing it's charging, which is good, because it's still connected the same way, but it definitely froze a minute ago out of the blue. So that's a problem. Powered on. And it's not communicating. That is really odd. Even though it turned the camera on, which it did before, but it's not reliable. It's not consistent at operating the camera, because now it's not communicating at all. And it just was a second ago. I just proved it was on and off. Yeah, look at that. It's not communicating. There's still something wrong with the smart remote and the mic adapter here. You guys got a bug here. I can turn this off. Let's just try it again for fun. Here's the status on here, if you need to see that. And I powered the remote off and back on. Yeah, it's not communicating because it didn't turn the camera off, and it's not turning it on. And all my stuff, I don't have any other connections to this camera other than the smart remote. That's it. Yeah, still got a problem. It's still not working. Turn that off. And I'll turn off the camera. I wonder if it'll turn it back on just for fun. So it is charging. Yeah, now it won't turn it back on again either. So there's still something wrong. It loses its pairing with the smart remote and it just quits.
Hold off.
No. All right, we're back. You can make noise. It's all right.
Okay, I just have one more.
And then since it didn't work a second ago, I'm going to try it here, back to where it was just working. That noise in the background is not the camera. It's her making lots of noise. You can blame Dominique. Yeah, still not working.
Okay, I'm done making noise.
Good. And this is back to not working again.
Ow.
It lost its pairing. It turned it on once and then quit.